up, you guys? We're gonna do a length check today. Length, L-A-Y-N-F. And we're gonna see exactly what we're working with here. She has been trying to do this intro 15 times, so I'm just jumping in.
Well, because it's so
This is Ebony. You guys know her. I am her husband, Lex. And actually, look, what y'all guess? Let's see. Oh, y'all can't even get a good look from this.
Hey, let me zoom out. Oh,
Yeah.
back up.
So what would your guess be? How tall are you at?
5'2".
Alright, 5'2", so now y'all know.
So, I don't know.
How long do you think it is?
Well, the last time I did a length check was in November of last year, and I think the longest piece was maybe 26 inches or something. Yeah, I really can't remember. I don't even know if I'm close. I think it might have been 26 inches was my longest piece.
When was this?
November 2017, so last year.
Okay. So this is a year's worth of growth we're about to measure the difference of.
And I got a trim in April, just like a split ends trim.
How are we gonna measure this? What's your procedure?
So I have some tape measure, just like standard.
What's that kind of measure originally for?
Like for seamstress.
Okay, I was just checking. You gotta go ahead.
So yeah, so normally I measure the front, the middle, and then at the nape of the neck because it's all 3 different lengths.
I don't know what a nape is, so we're gonna find all this out today.
The nape is right here.
That's not the nape.
It is. It's like
I ain't never heard no songs about kissing the nape. Boy, you're making up words. Is nape a real word, y'all? Y'all write it in the comments.
It is a real.
What's a better word? What y'all call that back part of the neck?
Some people call it the kitchen. That's standard, like black people term for it, but it's technically the nape of the neck. Like when you put a N-A-P-E.
How you know it's spelled like that?
Because you see it in instructions, like they be like, put a ponytail at the nape of the neck.
Oh, my bad. Y'all know more than me. Y'all already know.
Exactly. So anyways, before we get started with the length check, I don't know why I can't say length.
Because it's length.
Is that right?
L-A-Y-N-F. We're doing a length check.
I wanted to ask you a couple questions about my hair. It's just
me.
Mm-hmm.
All right.
Not like you know,
I'm
just
here.
like some opinionated questions.
I get it.
What do you think overall of my hair? Like, do you think this is like unusual that it's so long? Or are you just like, so what? Are you amazed? Because a lot of people seem to be like blown away. So like, what are your thoughts on it?
I don't really care. I don't think it's that amazing. And me
you don't think my hair is
and me growing my hair now, I really don't think it's that amazing. Cause
yeah, he think because he got some hair now. It's like
no, I thought that before though. I don't know. Hair's not that like, and I know this is probably not the channel to say that. Hair's just not.
Be your own people.
It's not important. As far as emotional attachment to me, I'm not gonna get.
So your thing for when you date a girl, when you were dating, the hair wasn't a thing.
Although I will say, if you look at the girls I dated, you might think it was a thing, but it's definitely, I don't look at it. And
that's true.
It's not a subconscious thing either. Like I tell her all the time she can cut her hair off. I wanted her to cut it shorter than she actually did the one time we were together and cut it. So it's not like a end all to me. To be honest, I like when girls got short hair and they can keep it like nice, or just long hair and it's nice. Like I just keep your hair nice, pretty much. Don't look crazy, and it looks nice to me. But I'm not gonna look at someone and go, whoa, look at the hair. Except for that old dude in Baltimore with the long dreads that touch the ground. That's amazing. I give him that. That's crazy.
So my hair got to touch the ground?
Listen, if y'all know the dude in Baltimore I'm talking about, you know exactly, because he be everywhere.
Yeah, he does.
Man, that's amazing.
So do you like my hair curly or straight?
I like it both ways. I really do. So yeah, I can't say I have a
preference.
Nah, I don't.
So what did you think about my hair when I first started going natural? Like when I first got my hair cut real short, he was like, oh yeah, short. It looks like, yeah, to him short is like Nia Long in the 90s.
My mom, and I think I said this in another post, my mom, my aunts, my grandmother, they cut their hair short before, like for real short. So to me, when she said that and it was like just a cut, I was like, all right.
Yeah, he was very underwhelmed, and I was just like...
She thought she was doing something. It still went down to her, like, bosom, so it's just like...
I remember I cut it to my...
I'm just joshing, Ebony. But the point is, it wasn't that low to me. Like, it was a good point to cut, you know what I mean?
Okay.
Like, if you're trying to from what I know, if you're trying to cut off like dead hair or split ends or not dead hair, split ends and
yeah, it was basically dead hair. It was like hair that had been relaxed, and I was growing out my natural hair.
But like, isn't hair dead?
Oh, technically, I guess.
No, it's pretty much fat.
Yeah, I guess so. Man, I forgot what I was gonna say.
Good talk.
But anyways, yeah, so what did you think of like how I was wearing my hair when I first went natural?
What did you think about my long hair?
I didn't want him to grow
All right
his hair.
then, there we go. That's what
I didn't want him to grow his hair because that means I have to do it. Like y'all see all this hair I have to do, and then
ladies, let me tell y'all, ladies, that is together time. Now she has to be with me.
Yeah, but
no, I get it.
When we have somewhere to be, I got to do my hair and his hair now.
She don't though. No.
Not every single time, but plenty of times, yes. But yeah, so I have to like.
When this lame check happening? How about that? That's what we all came here for.
These are some questions that people, had to ask me in the comments all the time.
About me?
Yeah, they kind of want to know like what you think, or they also want to know, are you getting dreadlocks? A couple people were like, is he trying to grow dreads? Like from our vlogs and stuff.
We don't know.
So, well, I'm not against that because
she was. That was actually the first thing she was against.
Yeah, at the very beginning, because he went from like a normal haircut to wanting locks, and I'm not like. I just thought it would be too much of a change. I didn't know how I would feel about it.
And it wasn't even like a plan. Honestly, I more so said it to see how she would react. I just stopped cutting my hair.
Yeah, he's just kind of experimenting as it grows. And so I think if I knew what his goal was, or if he had a plan, I would probably get on board a little easier. But I don't know how to twist dreads. But now I'm okay with dreads because I won't have to do your hair often.
So you just gotta beat them down.
Okay.
Relationship 101. Just beat them down till they can't care enough no more. Like this video, I don't care no more. All right.
Okay, so for the length check, like I said before, I'm gonna do piece from the front, the middle, and the nape. So what I'm gonna do, Alex, is hold the tape measure at the base, and then you hold the other end and tell me what the number is.
Is that how measuring works?
Crazy.
Do I tell you the number at the end of it, or one of the ones in the middle of your head? Like
yeah, just look at it and tell me. Crazy.
All right, we've got. Am I going to the far ends? The furthest hair is at 22.
That's in the front?
From the front, yeah. It's shorter. You know what you cut it down.
Wait, 22?
Over here. Why do you not know what the numbers are?
I was making sure you weren't counting the centimeters.
No, Ebony. You think it was at the 22 centimeters? You think that's where I stopped? She is disrespectful, yo. I can't take this.
You never did it before.
I never measured stuff. You got it wrong. All right, yeah, you're wrong.
Okay, all right. So that's the front, 22.
Jeez. I told you I don't know what a nape is. Now I don't know nothing.
So this is the middle piece.
Hold on. Yeah. All right, I'll give you that.
So I'm gonna take it.
Go from the top of it, which is really over here. All right, hold this down.
Okay.
Oh, shoot, this upside down. All right, it's all good though. All right. Then from the middle we have 33.
33.
33. Yeah, that's a big difference.
33 inches. Okay.
All right, you happy about that? Happy about the results?
I think that's crazy. I mean, I didn't really have a goal or anything in mind, but I still think that's wild. 33 inches.
So why are we doing this from the nape? I'm just wondering.
Because it's just the third.
Just so people know. Okay, I didn't know if this was like a hot topic.
A hot spot. All right.
All right, and then the nape is at a 22. That girl cut this pretty
That's crazy.
Cut it pretty even.
Yeah, she did a good job.
Yeah. But yeah, so 22, 33, 22.
Mm-hmm. What do you think?
I think that's pretty good measurements for a girl. Ain't that?
So anyways, that's gonna be the end of this video. I'm gonna
Go.
This hot sweater is making me delirious. I thought it'd be cute to wear because, when this video goes up, it'll be Christmas Eve, so These are our Christmas sweaters from last year, so I thought it'd be cute to wear them.
You gave too much information. I don't think
No,
they knew
that's
this was
what it-
from. I know, but you could have just
And
said
they-
they're Christmas sweaters.
And look,
Nah,
they
and
light up.
and
Mine's not really lighting up.
Because it's from last year, and they know that now. That's-
This is Christmas Eve when this video goes up. Well,
So
since
Mary-
it is now Christmas Eve by the time this video goes up.
She doesn't understand movie magic.
I know. Okay,
At all,
this
y'all.
is Christmas Eve. Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays, and I wish you guys a Happy New Year.
But what if it's Christmas next year? What do we say now? What do we tell them for next year if they watch it late? What if they watch it during Valentine's
This is why
Day?
we don't do videos.
Oh my
like that.
God! What if they watch it What if it's Cinco de Mayo? So if you're drinking right now,
Oh my God.
enjoy Cinco de Mayo, right? You gotta tell them.
If you
She's
enjoyed
gripping
this
me real
video,
hard.
if you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up.
I enjoyed
Just
it.
give me a thumbs up because look at what I gotta deal with. You gonna make me sweat out my hair.
She is hot for no reason. Every time we gotta do something together,
I think you make me nervous.
getting stressed
You
out.
make me nervous.
I don't do nothing.
I know, and I don't know why you make me nervous.
Nah,
I don't know what to expect, that's why. Anyways, if you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up.
I'm gonna get you a napkin for that upper lip sweat.
Share this video. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already done so.
And as always,
Thanks for watching. Thank God.
what?
You never say it. I thought I was gonna have to make you
You
like.
did say it alone.
No.
As soon as you recognize, when we run this back, you'll get it.